everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is like going to be just like a mini sort of randomy haul. So yeah, that is what I am doing today. Yeah, it's like I say a random mini haul because it is. It's just a little bit of everything. Like it's a Poundland, it is the British Heart Foundation shop, it's just everything. So yeah, it's a random, very random mini haul what I got to for you today. But there is some Christmassy items in here as well. So yeah, we're going to start off with the naughty bits, the naughty. So yeah, I got these, which is the Aero chocolate, and there's already a couple of them gone, and I got these from Poundland, and yeah, they were £4 per pound, so that was them. Then the next item what I got, which was these, which is the Llamas string lights. Now these is in the Christmassy selection that they have going on in Poundland, and I just thought they will go up there or somewhere around about there because I'm into these type of lights, and they look like little llamery sort of things. Just hang on a minute, I'm just going to go and put my light on. Right, so that is a little bit better. Right, so you see it better now. So there we go. They are the llama lights. Oh, I dropped them. As usual, I will drop everything. So I've got 2 pairs of socks. And these were £1 in Poundland, so yeah, they were right a bargain, a very good bargain. It sucks to me. And so the next item is this. Now then, this has gone back to the Christmas range that they have going on in Poundland, and what it is it's just a little glow. I don't know if that's doing it much justice, my camera, but it's like a really pretty Christmas tree, and it's got like the deer, the mama deer or the dada deer and the baby deer. So yeah, you've got like there is a lot more of these in Poundland, and I just thought they would go actually quite nice on a sideboard, or I have something coming up that I'm going to be doing with them. So yeah, a little Christmas theme going on, probably. Right, okay, so I was on showing you them the socks, which is down there. So yeah, and the Christmas little gadgety thing. There it is with the light off. Yeah, as I was saying, they have a few more of these in Poundland, and it's just to make a nice Christmassy theme. So going along with the Christmassy theme, I saw these, and they're absolutely gorgeous. These are the penguins. There's 2 of them. I'm going to show you that one because I have that one there. And there is a white one. Sorry if I had to rummage about for it, but just look at those. They're so cute. So yeah, I'm going to do like a little theme with this, because I think that they will go together really, really nice on a table sort of thing and make it look Christmassy, because at the minute we're just wanting those Christmas vibes and the autumn vibes and the pumpkin vibes as it is, but I haven't seen anything that I want that's pumpkin-y yet, so I'm keep looking out for pumpkin-y stuff, but there's a lot of Christmas stuff as well in there. Right, so then the next item is what I got is, because I'm always going through a lot of headphones for some unknown reason. This is TK Maxx, and I got these, and they are really comfortable. I've used them. They're not in the box. They're really comfortable, and they're like only $12.99. Should have been $44.99. I am no like tech sort of person. I just like go with what, if it says it's comfortable, well, I'm going to buy it. And it says like they are Supreme Comfort, and it is Supreme Comfort with them. So yeah, they're okay, but there again, I'm no techie sort of person. As long as it just plays music and it's comfortable for my ears, I'm just gonna use them. So there we go. Right, okay, so next of all, these have been on so many of my Poundland hauls that it's unreal, but they were in the bag, so I'm going to show you them. That is them, which is the Jakeman's throat chest, and I'm going to have to hurry up because my battery's flashing. I got my son a Christmas t-shirt because he just adores them, so, and I have to get them every year, and this one was £1.50 reduced. My British Home Stores haul, which is this one. This time I've gone with another caramelly theme blouse, which was £3.49, and toothbrush, which is very random, but there it is. It is the Braun Oral-B toothbrush for £1. And last but not least is these. My dog loves these, so I got 2 of them. Right, so if you like this video, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!